this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Fall Guys not launching here on PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is verify your game files. So go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher. And obviously, if you have Fall Guys open, go ahead and close it first. But essentially, find Fall Guys on here, select the little three dots on here, and then go to the Manage tab. Now, I actually have Fall Guys launched through Steam right now, so we're going to pretend that Rocket League is Fall Guys. But essentially, click these three dots, hit Manage, and then go ahead and find Verify, and go ahead and select this. And this is going to scan for any missing or corrupted files and automatically re-download them. For many players, this will fix the issue immediately. If verifying doesn't work, stay in the Epic Games launcher, stay in this Manage tab right here, and what you're going to want to do is select Open Install Location. It's this little fold with like a magnifying glass. Select that, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. And what you're going to want to do is find the Fall Guys client. This is going to be like the .exe file. So find that file just like so, and what you're going to do is right click on it, go to Properties, and once you're in Properties, go ahead and find Compatibility. And once again, I'm doing this on Rocket League, but you're going to want to do this with Fall Guys. Check the option to run this program as administrator right here, and also check the option to disable full screen optimizations. Hit Apply, hit OK, and then relaunch the game. If you're still having issues, you're going to want to update your graphics driver, which you can do by just going to this little search bar down here and typing in Device Manager, opening it up, and once it does open up, go ahead and find your drivers on here. Go to Display Adapters, find that driver, right click on it, and hit Update Driver just like so. Hit Search automatically for drivers and wait for it to, pop up with one. Go ahead and then update it from here as well. If no updates are found, go to Windows Update and check to see if there's a system update and restart your PC as well. And one of those issues should fix it for you. If you're still having any issues though, just go ahead and uninstall Fall Guys and reinstall it through Epic Games. If needed, you can also uninstall and reinstall the Epic Games launcher. But of course, make sure you restart your PC before reinstalling. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.